cleaning and keep the area so clean here. And this is just a starting of the hike.
Here's the forest walk.
Entrance of Taipokau Forest Walk, Taipokau Outdoor Study Center, half hour, Taipo Road. This way. We came from Taipo Road now and we are going to Forest Walk. Yeah? Let's first start with today with Red Walk, 3 km, 3-4 hour, and there is a map that Suraj is reading. Oh, nice. There is a full guide. Where are we? Nice trail, guys. This is the best trail. It's called Taipokau. In the Taipo area, very nice trail, nature trail. And today the weather is awesome. You can see the blueberries, actually not blueberries, just a colored blue. Those are blueberries, blue color, not actual blueberries. Wow.
It's water dripping or something.
I think, yeah, the water is dried all because, because of, I think, it's not rainy season, but yesterday it rained a lot. I think that's not enough for the stream to flow, otherwise you can see water going to the stream from here. Okay. Now we are here. Yeah. Then the red walk finishes there, and you can see butterflies here. You need to find out the butterflies. There are different kind of butterflies here. Look at this. That's a small bridge here. Oh, wow. We see some sign there. Let's read what it says. Oh, Red Walk end here? Oh no. No, not end here. I saw that sign. So there is a map. We're halfway.
That line there, that's where we're going. This area is blocked here. Here, it's blocked.
Because of some maintenance.
So we're going to the shorter area and then back to the start.
Okay, let's go. And guys, look at this. It's the slope down there. Now we are going down the hill. We climbed the hill so far. Now we are going down the hill. That looks really interesting. Let's go. This is Country Park Warden Post here, but nobody is there because at the entrance there is somebody. It's closed for some reason, but you can sit here. You can see the nice place to sit. Few benches here if you're tired or if you want to eat something, you can sit and eat. That's the main road that we came from. There is a checkpost. And this is our end of the nature trail here. Bye-bye.